And the book goes on, the last paragraph that I'll quote from here. Those who are electrically sensitive report similar sensations when they are near a cell phone or use GPS-guided cruise control on their cars. Other symptoms include a loss of smell and taste, fever, aches, breathlessness, fatigue, dry cough, diarrhea, strokes, and seizures, all of which are also reported by those who are electrically sensitive. Now, at 60 gigahertz, this is well known, cover this in my book, The Answer. At 60 gigahertz, which is within the 5G range, it interacts with the oxygen molecule in a way that prevents the blood absorbing oxygen in the way that it needs to. And this interaction would explain what is being described there in these more extreme examples of respiratory disease that is being called Covid-19. And as you rightly say, during the first period of lockdown, when almost every job was considered non-essential, it was considered essential to roll out 5G all across the world. And so now it's in the schools, it's in hospitals increasingly, it's in the atmosphere. You've got enormous numbers projected, and more every week, of satellites being put into low orbit, not least through people like the psychopath who should be in jail for life, Elon Musk, to project 5G back at the Earth. So if you think about it, Gaz, you're interacting directly with 5G through the masts and phones too, if you've got that kind of phone. But also 5G is being projected from space into the energetic field that we live in. And at 60 gigahertz, it interferes with the oxygen molecule so that people don't take in enough oxygen. And that will